already kushaya umoya. Oh my goodness.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Sanbalani Dumalang, hello, my name is Malonde and welcome to my channel. So it's been 4 weeks of these braids and I, for the life of me, could not decide what to do. So I took it to my Instagram community and I asked them, listen, I feel like cutting my hair or taking down these braids. I'm tired of the color, but I still like the curls. And the list goes on and on and on. And you know what they voted? Nazo. They are the results. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. And after that, I will show you as well how I went about maintaining these braids. To get you started, what you will need is a pair of scissors as well as 2 hair ties. We're going to divide this hair into 2 and tie it where you want to cut. So these braids are quite long, okay? They are like butt length long. So I think I want to go bob, but obviously ensure that you do not go shorter than what your real hair is, and that is something that only you would know. My hair kind of ends around here at this point in time, I think somewhere here. So I'm going to put my elastic lower than that. I'm going to cut lower than that. I think here is good enough. I am so looking forward to this because the way the weather is set up in Durban, South Africa during these months, I can't with this length. And then what you decided on the one side, you need to duplicate that on the other side, because the last thing we want is a lopsided bob. So I'm just gonna tie first. You see, that does not look even, so then I'm gonna push down the other side. I'm literally on my tippy toes. Yeah, okay, that looks about right. Let me go check in the mirror. Right, all is well. I took away my rug that I usually have on the floor. Very important step, because the last thing you want is all of this hair landing on your carpet. The admin. Then we're just gonna snip, snippity snip. Cut as close to the elastic as you can and just cut. Now I can just go ahead and remove these elastics. Then we see what we are working with. Oh my gosh, it gives high school girl. Okay, maybe not high school girl, it's giving first year students. Yo, it's so cute. Feels really cute. We can work with this. Okay, that is the length. If you feel like there are parts that are uneven, you can definitely go ahead and cut those. Like with me here, I'm kind of not too satisfied with this. Okay, there we go. Let me assess this side as well. Yeah, it's a bit long. If you can, wear a top that you don't mind getting all hairy and stuff. Don't do as I do. Because I did not do that step. Okay, there it is. Cute lights already kushaya umoya. Oh my goodness, so happy with this. Love it, love it, love it. I wanted to ensure that it's a length that can still be tied up, but as you can see, there we go, we got a ponytail. Yes, that's perfect. This is what I used to maintain the curls. I use this on all of my curly hairstyles. I believe in it. This olive oil or is wrap set mousse. This one is infused with coconut oil. Absolutely love this girl. She will keep your curls soft and tangle free. Considering that these are synthetic curls, you definitely need to ensure that you use mousse to keep them set and prevent them from frizz and tangles. This is what I'm currently using on my scalp. Scalp care is extremely important. Keeping your hair moisturized is extremely important, and this girl will do exactly that. This is the one that you've seen me use several times. This is my favorite one, but as you can see, it is kind of almost finished, but also the packaging has started getting messed up, so I'm trying to convince myself to throw away what's left, right? Hence I still have it. But she is also an excellent girl, has good amount of oils in it, great ingredients. I just don't like the fragrance in there, but it does a good job for the scalp. Next is another fave of mine, which is this 4-in-1 serum. Typically I use this on my scalp, but it is also excellent for your hair. In fact, it's formulated to moisturize your hair. I just love how it feels on my scalp as well. So you can go in with something like a hair serum. If you don't have a hair serum, you can use a lightweight hair lotion. Use that on your scalp and on your hair, especially on the cornrows parts, or like wherever your hair is exposed. Not exposed, but I guess where you can see your hair, you know, like at the start of the braids and stuff. You just go in with that, I'd say once a week. This whole routine actually is kind of like a weekly routine. The last and final step is to look after your hairline. Look after your hairline, my sister. Look after your hairline. I am currently using this Black Hair Redefined serum. You have also seen me use the Masori one before. This is my current one. It has castor oil in it, ginseng root extract, I think, as well as minoxidil. It is treating me well. I love it. It does a great job. Just use it on your edges. You can use this daily or bi-daily or multiple times a week, whichever works for you. And essentially that is it. That is how you look after your braids. At night, try to keep your hair wrapped either with a satin scarf, silk scarf, or a bonnet. Or sleep on satin pillowcases. I know it's really hot right now in South Africa specifically, and maybe it's hot by the time you're watching this video, so you don't have to like stress yourself about covering your hair if that's going to make you sweat overnight. Just use a satin pillowcase that will keep your hair soft and prevent your hair from rubbing against your bedding and getting old quicker. Just like that, that is it from me. If you have enjoyed this video and you've made it to the end, thank you so much. I will catch you in the next one.